Hello everyone, welcome back to my video where I will be continuing to add the uh, GLEAG service which we added into our Python service into the Android project. So let's get started with that. UI I am still figuring where to add it. One way we can do is to add a button here, delete if already a proposal is available. But let's create one first. Okay, so in delete what we need is only the user ID and the property ID. Rest all is not required. So we make the appropriate changes and let's see if it is working properly or not. So in delete what we need is I think in delete we don't need anything. Okay, do we really have to give? Okay, we can give nothing. Okay, same way we can go here. I guess in delete we don't send anything back, like this was deleted. Yeah, we don't send anything. So same way we can do nothing. Nothing is like what the name suggests. Okay. We delete the proposal using this call. We delete this proposal using this call, and same way we have to do it here. Remove all this, delete the proposal. Okay, so why I'm using floats is basically like all the stakes can be handled from here. What I want to do, like suppose I want to make multiple calls, I will be handling the stake from here rather than where I want to be. So all the calls will have a similar stake and every receiving end will have based on what they want to, they can add the code based on that. So that's why I went with flows. Initially it was a normal return call only. Okay, so since we have that, one more way we can do is okay, so same way we have to do. How we go here is okay, so we need a confirmation. So how we can do it? Do I really need it? Okay, one more way is instead of adding in a button, let's add it here only. I need how we get there, like this. If you can add yesterday and Galik Bakan. Same way I was thinking if we can go here as well. Okay, let's go it here only. That's way better than that's way better than adding yeah. So same way we can use the row. And yeah, okay. And let's make it a header only, and let's remove the header composable, add it here, and on click we need to confirm few things. Opening is confirm delete proposal. Connect this back and we need these two things. Okay, property ID, property name, I think we need it. And let's just call it close action. And let's use key entity class. Okay, I think we are good to go now. Okay, now if you go, let's add this. Delete property proposal. Okay, I need to change, not change, basically add this. Okay, confirm delete proposal. I want to delete your proposal for. Okay, let's add this. Let's create this. Now let's create a coroutine. We get user ID. Okay, now what we need is proposal use case dot delete user ID is equal to user ID, property ID is equal to property ID. Now what we need is to collect all these cakes and rest will be same as what we do here. Okay, no, we need to pass this as well. Now we have all the calls in place, so now we will be able to delete all the things. Okay. Okay, we don't have an issue here, we don't have an issue here. Okay. So what I need is a confirmation data, then yes or no, yes, then delete and close key. Access if there is a proposal. Okay, I have this. Do you want to click your proposal for a single apartment property? I click OK, click it. It is doesn't accepted, but if I call again, okay. Now if I suppose this one, click on it. If I go back here, come again. Okay, last was updated just now. If I click delete, if I come back, okay, it's working as expected. So now I can say that from the renter's perspective, the sending the proposal pack is done. One more thing we can do is, since the values are not getting updated, one thing we can do is to set it by default. So this way if it's deleted, the values gets refreshed. Or let's just keep it as it is, because I'm going to find a way where I can update any calls anywhere, like a skate or something. So let's just do that after when we are doing refactoring. Okay, so we are done with what we wanted to. All the things are working as expected. Okay, so search is there. Search for property, I guess, was not working. Is it Google or okay, Google? Okay, in our next video, what we will be doing is to work in the owner side of the proposal, so that the proposal will be, sorry, the owner will be able to see the proposals, all the proposals made on that property. Okay, thanks for watching. Make sure you watch the previous videos as well, so that you understand how the services are working. Thank you.